Testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, testing. Can you hear me? Testing out some new toys here. Do you love my new stools? Actually, they're not new. I just covered them over and I did it on a budget. I got all of this material and so much left over. Check this out. For $35. Okay, I might make some chair covers to match these stools now that I have enough material to do that. So these stools I bought secondhand when we moved into this house for $75. This project cost me less than $100 for 3 beautiful stools for my counter. This microphone. I bought this new toy for a project that will be coming up that will bring you back to 1955. Kind of goes with the mic, doesn't it? Feel like I've been making a lot of music videos lately. I also want to do some like house stuff videos. Here we go. I needed to redo these stools because the pleather was cracking on it. I tried to fix it by buying some material on Temu, but it was a fail. It didn't turn out the way that I wanted it to. So I just went to the local fabric store and picked out a nice neutral material that I could recover these stools over to cover up all the damage and the wear and tear. I had to tear these things apart piece by piece. Some of the tools I used was a screwdriver, my handy dandy drill, some pliers to remove staples, a putty knife. Look how easy this is. So all I did was just take this new material and staple it over the old stuff. You know how life goes, it gets busy, and these big projects that you tackle kind of end up on the back burner. It was whenever I had a free moment, I would tackle another piece of the project. Really, time is more valuable than money because what is money without time? Now this is where my thoughts go to, what the heck am I going to do with this corner? How am I going to make this look good? So, I just played around with the folds and kind of let it sit there and stew in my mind. You have to do this when you have time, and being a busy housewife, I don't always have the time. So this actually sat for like a month undone, but that's okay. There's other important things to do, like you got to think about time management. Added these furniture tacks, which I got at Walmart for like $7, 90 of them. Used 14 per side, that's 28 per stool. Damn, that looks fine. They're actually not that perfect. If you see, they're not in straight in line and there's a couple lumps, but that's okay. It's about the perfect imperfections, isn't it? I'm happy with the end result of my beautiful stools, and I'm happy that it didn't cost me a fortune either, because they don't make stuff like they used to. If I were to buy these brand new, I'd probably be spending 5 times as much as what I did. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. And I'm also testing out to see what I sound like with this microphone. Can you let me know down in the comments if you think that it sounds okay? Did you find me from a vacuum video? Did you find me from a music video? Did you find me from a travel video? Please let me know in the comments how you found my channel, and if you like what I put on here, and if you watch all this other stuff, or what do you want to see on my channel. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe. Maybe check out a playlist or two. Hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Let's find out if this works. Okay, so is this recording on my camera with the microphone? Kind of have to test out my new toy.